like, subscribe, turn on post notifications and comment below to get a shout out in next video.
Classic Caillou, it's time to wake up and get ready for school. BC, you're a few minutes late.
What, today is Monday? No, I'm going back to sleep, so I won't go today and I can go tomorrow instead. That's what I'm gonna do for today.
Classic Caillou. Get up for school now. It is not time to play no games now. Come on, let's go. Cause Caillou and Rosie is already in the car. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it.
Fine, I will go to school today.
That's what I like to hear. Now let's get in the car.
Another boring day.
Hello class, so today we will do a math worksheet for today. Here you guys go.
I'm just going to play some games on my computer.
I'm going to check how everyone is doing. Classic Caillou, you were playing Fortnite instead of doing your work. That's it. If you don't do your work, I will be sent out of my classroom afterwards.
Okay, I will do my work.
That's what I like to hear.
Hey DW,
Yes,
guess
Rosie.
what? So we should.
Rosie and DW, stop talking. This is not chat time, it is silent work time.
Now I will ask Miss Martin if I can go to the bathroom, 'cause I'm gonna pull the fire alarm after I go to the bathroom.
Okay, now everyone can have free time after you guys finish your work. Good job everyone, now you guys can have free time for sure.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead, you can go to the bathroom.
Here is the fire alarm. I will go to the bathroom first, then pull it for sure. Now time to pull the fire alarm and then run away.
Everyone run, it's a fire.
Oh no, it's a fire. I better get out of here like everyone else. Okay, I looked at the whole school and there is no fire.
Wait, what? How is that possible? The fire alarm was pulled and I don't know what happened.
Well, I checked the cameras and there was a boy with gray hair, blue shorts and red shoes that pulled the fire alarm, and you need to talk to him or his teacher about this. And by the way, I got to go. Have a good day, sir.
Wait, I know who that is. It's Classic Caillou. I'm gonna talk to him when we get back in. So Classic Caillou, the fire department told me you pulled the fire alarm. Did you pull it cause it was seen on cameras?
Yes I did.
Oh, Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's so good. You're suspended for 5 days. Go home now.
Wah 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 wah.
Oh, Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at your school? That is so it. You're grounded for 5 weeks. Go to your room.
Wah 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 wah. Like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Did you enjoy this video? Comment down below if you did enjoy it.